pair zone 2 stat, simply repeat the process of zone 1. Press and hold the receiver until the amber light starts to flash, like so. Press the up, the down and the tap simultaneously. And now we will reveal 0 on the bottom. We need to select the address, which is number 1 on the bottom. Press the tap. And we are calling this zone 2. So zone 2, press the tap to confirm. Wait for it to flash on the bottom again. And now we go up to number 4, option 4. And press the up arrow to reveal temperature. You want it to be shown in temperature, degrees Celsius. Press the tap. And finally, number 3 option as a communication test to know that we've it paired properly. Down to number 3, press the tap, and we can see our arrows pointing up. Communication has been successful. Press the suitcase 3 times, that says off.